tree. We need to get her down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. Stay right there. Is falling down. Oh dear kitty. Build it up with haystacks, haystacks, haystacks. Build it up with haystacks. Let us save poor kitty. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Oh dear kitty. Ah! Build it up with these pumpkins, these pumpkins, these pumpkins. Build it up with these pumpkins. Let us save poor kitty. Oh no, not again! London Bridge is falling down. Oh dear kitty. Build it up with you and me. Let's save poor kitty. Come on, kitty. Yay! Yay! We did it! Aw, good sheep.
Oh no!
Baba Black
Hey.
Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the farm.
Hey, come on in. The
swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All through the farm. Hey, come on in. The baby on the bus cries, wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. The baby on the bus cries, wow, wow, wow. All through the farm. The mommies on the bus say, the mommies on the bus say, all through the farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Go inside.
Come here.
Wow, so fresh.
Bye-bye.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Quack, quack.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O.
Hello,
With a
horsey.
neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's help Horsey.
Aw. Hey, hey.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men soon put Humpty together again.
Let's see.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Peekaboo. 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 Where are you? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Huh? I see you.
Oh, you caught me.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where are you? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Huh? I see you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I know you. Peekaboo, peekaboo, where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo, huh? I see you.
Oh, my baby, I love you. Mwah.
Peekaboo, peekaboo, where are you? Peekaboo, peekaboo, huh? I see you.
Oh, you caught me. It's always fun playing peekaboo.
Run, run! I am a monster.
Oh dear.
Don't scare us! Arr! Arr! Ooh, soup!
Emma, you're the sweetest girl, my baby. Won't you cut your hair?
No, no, I love my hair. It is so long, just like yours.
Baby, you need a cut, it will keep you very clean.
Emma, you look prettier too.
It won't fall into the soup.
If you cut your hair now, it'll grow back really strong.
Okay, I want strong hair. Daddy, will you come along and pick a hairstyle for me?
Yes.
Clip snap, clip snap, clip snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
Emma, how high or low do you want your chair to be?
I want it to be this tall.
Here you go.
Yay! Thank you! How about this hairstyle?
Yes, this will be great. I have scissors and spray. Let's get started now.
Clip snap, clip snap, clip snap. Hooray, it's haircut time!
We clip away the extra hair. We'll give you a very cute hairdo.
The scissors go
Huh? Aha! Who wants hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate? Yay! Hot chocolate!
But first, who did this?
He did it! No, she did it!
Show me your hands. Okay, let's go take a bath.
Oh no! I hate the bath!
Come on, it will be fun.
No, please!
If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Splash, splash. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Splash, splash. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face, clean your face. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face. Close your eyes. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your face. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your hands and nails. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your hands and nails. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your feet and toes. If you're dirty and you know it, clean your feet and toes. If you're dirty and you know it, and you really want to clean it. If you're dirty and you know it, take a bath. Hot chocolate is ready, kids.
Mommy, where are you?
I'm in the kitchen, darling.
Look what I painted! Look!
You're so good. You really painted well.
Sandwiches, can I take one?
No. You need to wash your hands first.
Okay. Look, my hands are clean now.
No, they're not.
Okay, now they are clean. See, my hands are clean now.
Every time before you eat, you should wash your hands. Dirty hands have lots of germs, so you should wash your hands. Squeeze a little soap and water on your hands. Rub, and bubbles, take all the germs away.
Look, Mommy, my hands are clean now.
Very nice, Emma.
Give me a bite, Emma.
Wait, a bite for me too.
No.
Every time before you eat, you should wash your hands. Dirty hands have lots of germs, so you should wash your hands. Squeeze a little soap and water on your hands. Rub, and bubbles, take all the germs away.
Your hands are clean, but I ate all of them.
Here are more sandwiches, kids.
Yay!
Sandwiches, my favorite.
No!
Oh, sorry kids. I forgot to wash my hands. I'll go and wash my hands first.
Let's eat them before he comes back.
Baba Blue Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Blue Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Baba Pink Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Pink Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Baba Yellow Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Yellow Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Mommy, where are you? Where are you? I've got a boo-boo. Boo-boo. I fell from the swing. It hurts.
Oh, sweetie, don't worry. Mommy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye boo-boo.
Daddy, where are you? Where are you? I've got boo-boo. Boo-boo. I tripped on a stone. It hurts.
Oh, honey, don't worry. Daddy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye boo-boo.
Mommy, where are you? Where are you? I've got a boo-boo. Boo-boo. I bruised my leg outside.
Oh, sweetie, don't worry. Mommy will help make it go away. First we'll wash do-do-do-do-do-do. Then put a bandage do-do-do-do-do. Then a kiss do-do-do-do. Bye-bye boo-boo. There you go, sweetie. All better.
gently down the stream.
Boat.
Merrily, 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 merrily,
Oh.
life is but a dream. is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
I love paper planes.
Your boat is ready, Emma.
We're going to have fun today. We're going to have fun today. We're making toys for us to play with papers and glue and sticks and clay. Clean it up, let's clean the mess. It looks so bad. Clean up your room so it looks wow. Pick them up one by one. We had so much fun. We played for long. Now we put them back one by one.
Hooray! We did it!
We're going to have fun today. We're going to have fun today. We are baking cookies today. We are baking cookies today. Clean it up, let's clean the mess. It looks so bad. Clean up the kitchen so it looks wow. Put back the jars one by one. Wash the dishes till they are done. Put the garbage in the bin. Wipe all the dirt away.
Hooray! We did it!
Kids, come here. We are going to have fun today. We're going to have fun today. We are on a picnic today. Oh, what a beautiful day.
Clean it up, let's clean up the mess. It looks so bad. Clean up the place so it looks wow. Pick up the trash one by one. We should not spoil others' fun. We leave the place neat and clean. It's a job well done.
Subscribe to Beep Beep.